Hello guys, my name is Tiago Gomes and I'm the creator of Hellphior games, and today I'm here to show you once more the development of this beautiful game head Water Polo. So in the last weekend I released on Patreon a very early access version of the game that I created to play with my cousins and my father and my brother on the vacations, and to make some experiment, to try different things on the game, and to try to play 1v1, play against the computer only. So I'm gonna show you what I've done. I've done a lot of things, and I included the sound already. So we have some sound effects, some music on the background, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you. It's better. Let me change here. Okay, so you can see all my screen. I'm gonna put this on max. Yeah. So we have the loading screen, and when the loading screen ends, we have a music, background music. We have only two buttons, one to quit, one to play, of course. To play, we have to choose if we are playing against the computer or if you want to play against someone. Of course, in the same computer, okay? This was a version for Windows only. Okay, let's play against the AI. And we have the sounds here, the sounds of the buttons, as you can see. So let's do it again. We have the sounds on changing the teams, the buttons. And when we press play, I don't have a background sound. Of course, I want to have a background sound of the audience talking, screaming, etc. And I haven't done yet the audience. That's something that I want to do next. To complete all the game scene, because I added colors to the goal. We have a rope here to make the ball goes to the field again, and these ropes here, the line ropes of the game, are better now. And the water, I think it's fine. It's fine. And more, of course, I have ropes here for the scoreboard. I think that's something that you already saw. And we have sounds on when we are shooting, when the ball hits the crossbar. So we have little sounds already to this. The big problem, of course, and we have the sound when it's goal. And the different goal celebration. I think the other one was a little bit bad. So I created a new one, and yeah, I think that's it. We have the pause menu, of course. I added the button to rematch, so we can stay in the same scene and just rematch the game. Of course, the resume and the exit if you wanna leave, just leave. When the game ends, it's the same. We have no music. We have this fantastic full-time panel. This player 2-1, it's because I tried to change a lot of things for when we are playing 1v1 with someone on the computer. I tried to change this to player 2 and player 1 when the guy that is playing on the left, that is player 1, won the game, and when the player number 2 won the game, to just appear here. But it's a little bit buggy. I need to change it in that. So there are a lot of bugs, but at least we added sound for almost everything. So we have the sound when shooting, we have the sound when hits the crossbar, we have the whistle sound, we have a background music that I think it's perfect for this game. So at least something we did. of course, I'm gonna change all of this. We are not gonna have 1v1 in the same phone, of course. And what I want to do for this game is a mobile game, not a Windows game. So I'm gonna take it off the 1v1. But yeah, the next step is to I can show you, of course. So the menu, I have here the sounds of buttons and the arrows. And when you go here to game, we have the sounds. We have ball hit, we have crossbar, we have whistle. And I think there's nothing more that I can show you. It was just a little bit difficult because I had to create different scenes to play against like my friends. And the biggest problem with the game that I created is the AI is changing. Like if I'm playing on this computer, the AI have a specific jump, a specific velocity, a specific shooting velocity. When I played in my father's house, the AI was like crazy and running so fast that it was impossible to score any goal. So I really need to change the AI system because it's not working fine. And when we are playing, when I was playing with my cousins and my brother against, our players just crashed and the ball was not moving. So someone needed to go back so the other can shoot. So that's not working fine. And what I want to do is the players can't touch each other, okay? And when the ball is between them, in a certain area, if it's too much close to the both of them, it's gonna jump or do something, because otherwise it's impossible. But we are not playing against anyone in the same computer, so that problem is not gonna exist. The only problem is the AI, when is like in the middle of the field and the ball is here, is gonna run in front and is not going back. So what I'm gonna do is when the AI reach the middle of the field, is going back, and it's not doing that. I don't know why. So I'm gonna make sure that it's doing that, and I'm gonna change all of the AI script. It's not working as I want, and I really need to take care of this. But first I'm gonna make sure that the audience is fine. So I'm gonna change all the audience. I'm gonna paint someone, paint something, paint something better. That's the idea, because it's the only thing on this scene that is not made by me, and I need to change it. So I think that's nothing more that I can show you. If you want to try the demo that I created for the last weekend, we have it there on Patreon. You can download it. It's only for Windows. You can try with your friends and just tell me how buggy is the game. And that's it. I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys next Sunday. Bye bye.